Hey everybody, this is Jack from the Training Arcade here. We've recently launched Jeopardy, officially licensed from Jeopardy Productions here on the Training Arcade. It features all of the familiar format, the same rules, and fun as America's favorite quiz show. We're really excited about the launch, and I wanted to give you an opportunity to see it in action. We've maintained the key structure of Jeopardy's 3 rounds. There's Jeopardy, Double Jeopardy, and Final Jeopardy. We recommend preparing your categories, clues, and responses ahead of time. This will ensure game creation is fast and easy once you hop into the Training Arcade. Remember that the Jeopardy game's clues should be worded so that the responses will be in the form of a question. Our Training Arcade content management system will guide you through that format and will also give you the flexibility to customize your needs. I'll be sure to highlight these elements for you during this video. Like any of our games in the Training Arcade, you will have the option to specify default game settings. Please refer to the first link in the video description below for information about general game settings for all of our Training Arcade games. Underneath the game setup, you'll notice an Add Your Logo section. Go ahead and upload an image of your logo to the opening sequence, and voila! Your game begins with Jeopardy for your company. You also have the option to add a customizable welcome screen, add registration requirements for your users, and even add a percentage required to pass the course, and you're off to the races. Game info settings specific to Jeopardy include the official Jeopardy theme, VO, music, and sound effects. These will not be customizable and are specific to the Jeopardy game as it is officially licensed from Jeopardy Productions. Now that we have the basic settings out of the way, let's go ahead and jump into actually creating your game. The first round that we will edit is the Jeopardy round. The Jeopardy round consists of a minimum of 3 categories and a maximum of 5. Each category can contain 3 clues, but no more than 5, thus giving you a maximum of 25 possible clues for this round. You can add categories by clicking the green button and select the number of tiles desired per category, noting that the number of tiles is applied to all categories. Each category is represented on a separate tab below. The category you are currently editing is highlighted in blue. You'll want to give your category a broad name that covers the topic within the game. For example, I'm using 3-letter words. To edit the question tiles, click on any of the green blocks below the category name. Make sure you pay attention to the order in which you place your clues. The top clue block is the lowest value amount in-game, and the bottom clue block is the greatest value amount in-game. So easier clues should be placed higher up on the game board. To edit a clue block, click on the block and select the question type. The 2 question types available to you are multiple choice and text input. Multiple choice provides a more traditional quiz format with up to 4 responses supported, 1 correct and up to 3 incorrect. Text input provides a more challenging and traditional Jeopardy game experience where users have to recall the response posed in the form of a question. The Training Arcade even supports the use of media, images, and video up to 20 megabytes in size, or a video URL which could be provided to display when the clue is revealed to users. The clue text section should contain the information you want your players to respond to. This must be phrased in such a way that it elicits a response in the form of a question in order to stay true to the Jeopardy experience. The opening phrase then precedes the player's responses and is a customizable phrase that you can add as I'm showing you here. This is to match the traditional Jeopardy game style, such as who is, what is, who are, and what are. And so, when the responses are available to the players, your clue and response should look something like this. The choice section is the section where the players provide their response. If you selected multiple choice as the question type, you can add up to 4 total responses. If you selected text input, you can add the correct response and multiple iterations to account for spelling or synonymous words that may be correct. Don't worry about case, because responses are not case sensitive. If you wish to give feedback to your users, you can type them a special message or maybe some additional information on the topic at hand when they get a question correct versus incorrect. Once you've completed the first clue and response, fill out the rest in the same manner. You can do this for all sections, on all categories for the Jeopardy round. In fact, you can follow the same exact steps for the Double Jeopardy round, keeping in mind that points are doubled for this round. The final Jeopardy round also allows for the same editing style, only this round has a single clue. In this round, users must wager a select amount of dollars up to their total amount of dollars earned thus far, to go big or go home empty-handed. I like saving as I go along, and now let's save one last time. Like other games in the training arcade, the Jeopardy game is SCORM compliant. Download the SCORM package here. Other than that, go ahead and copy your game URL, paste it in the browser bar, and play your newly created Jeopardy game. The Training Arcade's intuitive game builder makes it easy to create and publish instructional games in a matter of mere minutes without any programming skills necessary. Were you surprised how easy it was to create a game? If so, let me know in the comments below. Until next time, I'm Jack from the Training Arcade, and remember to be the hero and bring the fun.